Welcome to my channel, my friend. Do you want a better job, more confidence, and the chance to travel the world? In this video, you'll discover how learning English can open doors to endless opportunities, from career growth to making friends across the globe. Through inspiring real-life stories and easy-to-follow tips, you'll see that English is more than a language. It's the key to your future. Start your journey today and unlock your true potential with English. English is more than just a language. It is a key that can open doors to education, travel, friendships, and career opportunities. When you learn English, you are not only learning words and grammar, you are giving yourself the power to connect with the world. Imagine a door in front of you. Behind that door, there is a new job, a new friend, a new country, and a new life. But this door is locked. The key to this door is English. When you hold this key, you can open the door to opportunities you never imagined. You can talk to people from around the world. You can read books and watch movies that inspire you. You can travel without fear, work with confidence, and live your dreams. English is not just a language. It is a bridge to your future. And today I will show you how learning English can unlock your true potential. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, there was a young man named Amir. Amir lived in a small town. He worked hard every day, but he felt stuck. He wanted to find a better job, meet new people, and travel the world. But there was one problem. He didn't speak English. One day, Amir decided to change his life. He started learning English, just a few words every day. In the beginning, it was hard. He made mistakes. He felt shy, and sometimes he wanted to quit. But he kept going. He watched English videos, listened to English songs, and practiced speaking with friends online. After 1 year, something amazing happened. Amir got a job at an international company in the city. He met people from other countries. He even traveled to another country for work, and he used English every day. English opened doors for Amir, and if Amir can do it, so can you. Section 1. English connects you to the world. English is like a bridge. It connects you to people, ideas, and opportunities that you could not reach before. More than 1.5 billion people around the world speak English. That means when you learn English, you can talk to almost anyone, anywhere. Think about this. You can make friends in Canada, chat with someone in India, or do business with a company in England, all with the same language. You don't need to know every language in the world. You just need one key language to connect with millions of people, and that key is English. Let me give you an example. Sarah, a student from Brazil, always dreamed of becoming a scientist. Most of the books and research she needed were in English. At first, she could not understand them, but she decided to study English for just 20 minutes a day. After 6 months, she was reading articles from American universities. After 1 year, she applied for a scholarship abroad, and she got it. When you learn English, the world becomes smaller. Information becomes yours. You can watch news from another country, join online courses, read books that inspire you, and talk to people you never thought you could meet. Remember this phrase, English connects me to the world. Say it again, English connects me to the world, because when you believe it, you will find more reasons to keep learning every day. When you understand English, you can read books, watch movies, listen to songs, and follow news from all over the world. You are no longer limited to information in just your own language. You can learn from the best minds and explore different cultures without leaving your home. Section 2. English brings you new career opportunities. English is not just for school. It is a skill that can change your career. Today, many companies want employees who can speak English. Why? Because English is the language of international business. If you know English, you can apply for better jobs. You can talk to clients from other countries. You can work with people from different cultures. And sometimes, you can earn more money. Let me tell you about Jamila. She worked in a small shop in her town. She was smart, but her job did not pay much. One day she heard that a big hotel in the city was looking for staff, but they needed people who could speak English. Jamila didn't speak much English, but she decided to try. Every night after work, she studied for 1 hour. She learned how to greet guests, how to answer questions, and how to solve problems, all in English. 3 months later, she went for the interview. She was nervous, but she used the English she knew. And guess what? She got the job. Her salary doubled. She met people from all over the world, and she even started saving money to travel. English gave Jamila a chance. It can give you a chance too. Repeat this sentence with me. English brings me new opportunities. Say it again. English brings me new opportunities, because every word you learn is a step toward a better future. Many companies today need workers who can speak English. From customer service to technology, from tourism to international trade. English is often a basic requirement. If you know English, you can apply for better jobs, work with international teams, and even move to another country for work. It can increase your salary and give you a competitive edge over others. Section 3. English helps you travel confidently. Imagine you are at an airport. You hear many languages around you. French, Arabic, Chinese, Spanish. You don't understand them all. But then you hear something familiar, English. And suddenly, you can understand, you can ask questions, and you can find your way. English is like a travel map in your mind. No matter where you go, it can guide you. In airports, hotels, restaurants, and tourist spots, English is often the common language. Let's talk about Omar. Omar always wanted to visit another country. He saved money for 3 years to travel to Thailand. But he was worried. What if I can't talk to people? What if I get lost? So, for 6 months before his trip, Omar learned travel English. He practiced how to order food, ask for directions, and talk to taxi drivers. When he finally arrived in Thailand, he felt nervous at first, but then he remembered his English. At the hotel, he said, "Hello, I have a reservation." At the market, he asked, "How much is this?" When he got lost, he asked a stranger, "Can you help me find this place?" Omar's trip was a success. He made friends from Australia, Japan, and Germany, all speaking English together. And now he has the confidence to travel anywhere. Say this with me. English helps me travel with confidence. Again, English helps me travel with confidence. Because when you speak English, the world feels like your home. When you travel, English can be your guide. In airports, hotels, restaurants, and tourist places, English is often the common language. Even if you do not speak the local language of a country, English will help you ask for directions, order food, and make friends along the way. Travel becomes easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Section 4. English builds confidence. Learning English step by step teaches you more than just vocabulary. It teaches you discipline, patience, and self-belief. The moment you have your first English conversation, you will feel proud. Each success makes you more confident, and confidence can help you in every part of life, from interviews to public speaking. Learning English is not only about words, it is about believing in yourself. Every time you learn a new word, you take a small step forward. Every time you have a short conversation, you feel stronger inside. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was shy. She loved learning, but she didn't like speaking in public, even in her own language. When she started learning English, she was afraid of making mistakes. She thought people would laugh at her accent, but she decided to be brave. She started practicing English with her friends, then with her teacher, and finally with strangers online. At first, her voice was quiet, but with every conversation, she felt a little more confident. One day, her school invited her to give a short speech in English. She stood in front of the class, took a deep breath, and spoke slowly. Her hands were shaking, but she finished her speech. Everyone clapped. In that moment, she realized something important. Mistakes are not the end. They are part of learning. Now, Sarah speaks English whenever she can. She is still learning, but she is not afraid anymore. Say this with me. English makes me confident. Again, English makes me confident. Because when you speak English, you are not just learning a language, you are building a stronger version of yourself. Section 5. English gives you access to education. Many of the world's best universities and online courses are in English. When you understand English, you can join global classrooms, earn international certificates, and learn directly from experts. This can change your career path and help you achieve your dreams faster. English is the language of learning. Many of the world's best universities' online courses and research materials are in English. When you understand English, you can study with teachers from anywhere in the world. You can join global classrooms without leaving your home. Let's talk about Daniel. Daniel lived in a small village. He loved computers and dreamed of becoming a software engineer. But there were no good schools nearby. One day he found an online course from a famous American university, and it was free. There was only one problem. It was in English. Daniel could have said, "It's too hard, I can't do it." But instead he said, "I will learn." He studied English for 1 hour every day, using free videos and practice websites. After a few months, he could understand basic lessons. After a year, he finished his first online course in English. Now he works for a technology company in the city and continues to learn new skills every day. When you know English, you can learn anything. You can read books from other countries, watch lectures from the best professors, and understand new ideas before they are translated. Say this with me. English gives me the power to learn. Again, English gives me the power to learn. Because education is not just about passing exams. It's about opening your mind to a bigger world, and English is the key. Section 6. Start small, but start today. You do not need to be perfect from the beginning. Start with small steps. Learn 5 new words a day, watch a short video, or practice speaking for 10 minutes. Make English a part of your daily life. Small steps taken every day will lead to big results over time. The secret to learning English is simple. Start small, but start today. You don't need to study for 5 hours a day. You don't need to be perfect from the first lesson. You just need to take one step every day. Let me share a story about Rena. Rena always wanted to learn English, but she was busy with work and family. She told herself, I don't have time. Then one day she decided to try something different. Just 10 minutes a day. She learned 5 new words, listened to a short English podcast, and practiced one small conversation in front of the mirror. At first, it felt like nothing was changing, but after 3 months, she could understand English songs. After 6 months, she could chat with tourists in her city. After a year, she was reading English books for fun. Small steps work. 10 minutes is better than 0 minutes. 1 page is better than no pages. 1 new word is better than no words. Say this with me. I will start learning English today. Again, I will start learning English today. Because the best time to start was yesterday. But the second best time is today. English is not just a language. It is a key that can open doors to work, travel, education, and new friendships. We have seen how English can connect you to the world, bring you new opportunities, help you travel with confidence, build your self-esteem, and give you access to education. You don't have to learn it all at once. You just have to start 1 word, 1 sentence, 1 conversation at a time. Your potential is bigger than you think, and English is the bridge that will take you there. So hold the key in your hand, open the door to your future. And remember, every word you learn brings you closer to the life you dream of. Unlock your potential with English. Your journey starts now.